Good afternoon. Today I wish to discuss with you how to create a daily report from a completed call report. As in the past, we've been asked to turn in our daily reports every day or every couple days with activities or calls that we feel is information that we'd like to pass up along the line. Further information for both our regional manager to know, as well as Brian True, pricing administrators, Eric Nordstrom, and even on up into the Torrance offices for Mr. Virtue and Doug. With that being said, we've always done that in that Excel spreadsheet that we just sent to our managers. Now with CRM, we're going to be able to generate that straight off of the CRM page from the completed call report. As we've noted, every day we're making our sales calls, we'll be completing a call report for each of those calls. They are to be completed at the end of each day, and with that said, if this is information that you feel needs to be passed along, you can then mark the call as a daily report. And we're going to show you how to do that right here. Right now, I'm in a search for completed call reports for Jeremy Miller from Lexington, Kentucky. And we're going to take one of his sales calls here and turn it into a daily report. I'm going to come down to the one here right there at the bottom for Jefferson County. And we're going to click on description in the visit plan, which will then bring up his call report that he has already generated for the day. And here it is. The call was made on 10/5, but we want to turn this into a daily report. We want to let maybe Todd McDaniel know a little bit more about it or pass this up the line. That's done up here under the reference section under importance. As you can see right now, the importance is just an exact date, but we want to change that to the daily report. So we're going to come over and we're going to hit our edit button. And as we've discussed in training throughout the last 3 weeks, our 3 favorite buttons in CRM is our edit button, our save button, and our back button. And as you can see, it's now popped open our ability to search into some more of our drop-down boxes. Under importance, it's still listed as exact date, but when we click on our drop-down arrow, we go all the way to the bottom, and we highlight Daily Report. Click in that, and of course, we hit Save. And it has now generated that as a saved daily report that will now populate into any report a regional manager or Brian True or anyone like that wishes to run to see daily reports. With that said, I'm going to run my own daily report that I have for Jeremy Miller to see what his calls in so that he can double check and make sure it actually went through. I have JM call reports. I'm going to come down to my daily reports. I'm going to click on that search, and this is actually Jeremy Miller's. I just have it listed as my daily reports because that's how I'm going to have you list your save search. And here is all the calls that he has marked since he's been working on this as daily reports. And you can see Jefferson County Schools and Susan was the contact is underneath here. I would like everybody to make sure they have this save search set up in their system. And as you can see, the search criteria is right here, and you need to set this up exactly the same way. Employee responsible, importance, and activity type. This will also be in the training script as we move on from there. Daily reports are an important and an active way that we do business, and we do need you to continue to mark these. Regional managers will have their own searches set up so that they can see just their teams, and you have your search set up so that you can see just your call reports. If you have any further questions on how to set up a daily report from a completed call report, please get with your regional manager. Please use the tutorial script that has been released with this video, as well as give myself a call or any other champion sales reps out there who've been working in the system. Thanks and have a great day.